92nd birth anniversary, Rahul Gandhi, while paying a tribute to Netaji, uploaded this poster that you see on your screens, which has a picture and a quote of Netaji. But what's upset the Netaji family is the fact that the same poster mentions the year of his death as August 18th, 1945. Now, BJP leader and Netaji's grandnephew has demanded an apology from Rahul Gandhi. He's responded to Rahul's tweet saying that people of India are demanding an apology. Abhishek Kapoor is joining us on the phone lines with more details on this. Abhishek, this has been a very, very contentious issue, especially for the family members. And now you've got Netaji's grandnephew demanding an apology from Rahul Gandhi.
Well, Akshita, there is a big section of population in the country, essentially Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose followers, family, fans, who do not believe that Netaji perished in the August 18, 1945 plane crash in Taiwan. They in fact believe that Netaji survived that crash, went on to live in Japan. Some believe that he actually came back to India and lived in Faizabad. So the mystery remains unresolved and unsolved, and there are a lot of files of the intelligence. There are a lot of files in the United Kingdom and Russia, which still can throw some light. So this strong element of population across the country, specifically in Bengal, they have felt offended with the manner or the callousness with which Congress chief Rahul Gandhi has tweeted the date of Netaji's demise. Ironically, on a day when the government led by Narendra Modi is marking the 122nd anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose today, and a museum has been inaugurated on Netaji and the Indian National Army, which Netaji led in his march towards Delhi, along with the Japanese. So Rahul Gandhi, they are stirring controversy by putting in that date. This is essentially the Congress narrative, and the Bose family and his followers and fans obviously would not like this.
All right, Abhishek, thanks for joining us with that update. A controversy breaking out of Rahul Gandhi's tweet. You've got Netaji's family now questioning and demanding an apology from Rahul Gandhi because of the fact that Rahul Gandhi in that poster has also made a mention of Netaji dying in 1945.